I am going to replace the shampoo with pink hair dye. Ha 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 ha. I need to get out before I get caught.
Time to take a shower.
Later, after George's mom took a shower.
My hair is changed to pink. Wait a minute. It was Jared who replaced the shampoo with pink hair dye. That's it. He is so grounded.
Yay. I made my mom have pink hair. What should I do next? Oh, it's my mom.
Oh 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 oh. Jared, how dare you replace the shampoo with pink hair dye and my hair pink? That's it. You are grounded for 781 weeks. Go to bed right now and I tell your father about this when he gets home.